Hey guys, today we are making up a loaded breakfast. Yes, a loaded breakfast filled with eggs, sausage, hash browns, tomatoes, cheddar cheese, and much more. The most important meal of the day, you are going to love it, so let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is grab up 6 eggs and crack them into a bowl. Now I'm using farm fresh here, but you can use whatever you like. Follow that up with a couple of tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley, and I guess if you really want to be adventurous, you could use cilantro. Go ahead and toss that in. Then go ahead and throw in 1/3 of a cup of milk. Some use water, but I use milk. Season things up with about a teaspoon of salt. Then about 1.5 teaspoons of ground black pepper, simply because I love ground black pepper. Another 1/2 teaspoon to a teaspoon of garlic, depending on how garlicky you want it. Grab up the whisk and we will just whisk everything together. Now this is looking good right about here. And when we're done whisking, we're just going to set this aside. Next up, what you want to do is get 2 or 3 Italian sausages and take a good sharp knife, and we'll cut these diagonally into, I'd say about 3/4 inch chunks. Now I'm using mild here, but you can use hot, or I guess you could even use honey garlic too. Anyway, the point is to get a good hearty sausage that you really like. Okay, grab up some oil and throw it into a pan over medium-high heat. Then we'll go ahead and toss those sausage in. And we'll fry these up until they're basically cooked through and no longer pink. Now, I just got to wondering too if you couldn't throw a couple of strips of bacon in. That would be nice, but entirely up to you. Okay, the sausage is done and we shoved it to one side, so I'm going to go in with a small chopped onion. Then to save us some time and make it really yummy, some country-style diced hash brown potatoes. And I am going to add in about 1.5 cups of these, or 2 good handfuls. Now we'll just mix everything together and cook for a few minutes, still over medium-high heat, until those potatoes begin to brown a little bit. But oh man, this is looking good. Alrighty then, you probably guessed it. We're going to grab up that egg mixture and throw that over the top. Just kind of pour it around so you get a nice even distribution. And I'm just going to let this cook away for 3 or 4 minutes, but you can see how it's beginning to set around the edges, and that's what we want. After we've set a bit, I'm going to take, I'd say about 10 or 12 cherry tomatoes that I cut in half and just kind of place them into that mixture. And see how they kind of sink down into the mixture a little bit? That's exactly what we want. Now I'm going to reduce the heat, place a lid on, let it simmer away until it fully sets. After we fully set and it is looking good, I'm going to snag up some old sharp cheddar cheese and sprinkle it over the top. And oh my goodness, guys, isn't this looking great? And just to make things really tasty and decorative, I'm going to put some chopped onions over that cheese. Throw the lid back on. We'll let this continue to cook until that cheese melts. Now that cheese is melted. Oh, look at this. Pure breakfast goodness. I mean, my friends, if this is not a loaded breakfast, I don't know what is. Like I say, you've got just about everything here. Your eggs, your sausage, your hash brown, your seasoning, tomatoes. Personally, I don't think breakfast can get much better. And you dig into this, my friends, it doesn't get any better. Just look at this. Breakfast at its very best. Go ahead and make this up. Let us know what you think. Love to read the comments. Most of all, like and subscribe. Helps the channel out. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and we'll see you Sunday in the next video.